iPaint, and you can paint too with this amazing machine. It works in different kinds of materials like canvas, wood, cardstock, tattoo transfer paper, fabric for embroidery, and you can paint in 3 different ways using the AI powered painting. Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I have something new to share with you, and this one is the new machine from LOKLiK. It's the LOKLiK iPaint. And now I'm going to make an open box and show you everything that comes in the package. And here are all the pieces that comes in the box. And it comes with 2 axes, the X-axis and the Y-axis. And this is the machine. It comes with a screw and a screwdriver to connect them, the power adapter and a USB cable. It comes with 2 canvases. It comes with 2 erasable pens and 1 gel pen. This one right here. It comes with 3 acrylic paintbrush, a masking tape, and 48 acrylic paint that you can use with your projects. And it comes in all of these colors, see? You can see? It's nice for many projects. Now I'm going to show you how to put them together. The installation is very simple. You just have to grab the pieces like this, and you're going to get this connector and put it up here, okay? Just press, and it's going to fit all the way, okay? Just make sure it fits all the way. Then you're going to put this together and make sure that they close right here. So you can now put this one, the screw, right here, and you can screw. When you are done, you are going to grab this piece and put it on top. Now the machine is ready, and we are going to connect this one to the power outlet. Now it's connected and we can turn it on. Can you see? And we have a USB cable that comes with it, and we can connect it right here on the side. And this one plug onto a laptop or computer to use the LOKLiK Studio and start creating. First, open the LOKLiK Idea Studio and click on Make. Then click on Connect Device. Your machine and your computer had to be connected to USB so it can find. Click Search and then just wait a little bit to find the iPaint device. Then click on Connect. When it's done, just click on Complete Connection. Then upload the image that you want and choose oil painting. Then you will see 3 options for difficulty. Choose between easy, medium, or complex. And click on transfer and the image will be adjusted to the level of difficulty you chose. It will show you a preview and just click on apply. Then click on make and you will see your device, and now you have to choose the features. I chose 48 colors. Then you just have to click on transfer. And this is one of my mistakes, that I chose 48 colors and I should just pick 5 colors because 48 colors are too many strokes on that paint. Then scroll down and you will see the options to select the subtract and also the pen, and select the heat erasable pen. You can also click on preview and you can see if your image will fit inside of your material. Then just click on add to task and then start. And you can also see how long is it going to take to do the job. And here is the machine in action, and the job took 1 hour and 52 minutes. So now it's a real time and I'm just sharing it with you. a little bit on how it draws. And this is the result of the image that I have to paint. And it looks difficult for me because it has so many strokes and I can barely see the lines. So I picked another image. And I chose this image, and even though it looks easy, there are so many flowers on the field, and the machine was painting all of them. So I decided not to do this one as well. And then I chose this image, and it looks very basic. And I made some changes to it, and you will see it at the end. I also used the option of line art, and the machine drew this pair of kitties, and I colored them with markers. And this is another image for line art, and I'm using the gel pen. And it is very important that you have to adjust the pen before you start. When you choose oil painting, the machine takes a lot of time because it has to transfer each shadow of the colors and paint it by spaces or pieces that you have to color. But when it's line art, it draws and it does it very fast. For oil painting, it's over 1 hour, but when you choose line art, it draws in 2 minutes. And you can use that feature a lot for card making, especially for writing a sentiment inside a card. And this is going to be the final result. That looks amazing. These are the samples that I made, and these two images were drew with this heat erasable pen, and that means that all the drawing right here that is in blue can be erased with heat. So we are going to do that. See, can you see marks right here, like this mark and some still that shows around? So we are going to use a heat gun to make them disappear. And this one was made with a gel pen, but this is from the brand from LOKLiK. And you can use this gel pen to finish filling the inside of the letters or inside right here. It's up to you, or you can leave it like that. And you easily can make cards, make sentiments, make a lot of stuff, and this was super fast to make. So I'm going to put it on the side, and I'm going to use the heat gun to erase right here the marks. Okay, so I'm going to make a little bit of noise. Now look at the picture. It looks like you drew yourself and you painted, right? I painted. You can paint. Anyone can paint with the iPaint machine. Yes, looks so cute. Now let's do it on the canvas. I'm going to just pass all the way through. And now look at this beautiful paint, and it looks like I made it all by myself, right? So nice to have a machine that can draw for you with any pictures that you have, and you can just finish painting. This picture was very basic, but I added the stems, I added more colors, I added these perfect pearls. You can add more shadows if you want, and you can create something super beautiful. See? And don't throw away the canvases or paper that you were using. Look, this one was so hard. It took 1 hour to make just this, and I couldn't see the defined lines, nothing. So I'm going to erase that. And this is the other picture that I'm not going to paint it because it looks so difficult. Everything is too small. So I can save this canvas for another picture, and I'm going to use that heat gun to erase. And look how it disappeared. It looks like magic, right? That heat erasable pen, it's amazing. Now, as you can see, the canvas is saved and I can draw again another image right here and reuse this part, see? And I encourage for you to use the images that they don't have too many colors, because it's going to take strokes for each color, like as you can see right here, for every little flower on the field. So I just stopped this job in the middle, because I just realized that I'm not going to paint all these like by number. So it's up to you. If you see that it's drawing something that you can paint, you continue. But if it's something very hard, you just pause and cancel the job, so you can erase the image and start all over again with a different image. Don't wait until everything is done. If you see that it's doing many little strokes and it's going to be hard for you, then you just have to do it again. Okay, I'm very happy to share this with you, because you can use this machine for many things, like something that you want to enjoy doing yourself, painting with paint or markers, even color pencils. And this is a drawing only, and this is paint by the number, and this is a tracing, like drawing and tracing. And the machine does everything for you. If you want to do like swirls, words for cards, it's going to be amazing. You can give this machine many uses, especially if you have kids at home. You can make fun things for them just using this machine to draw. And painting and drawing, it's always enjoyable for anyone, right? So I hope you enjoy this video and you learn something that it's now new on the market. And if you want to get one for you, visit the store. The link is going to be in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Thank you very much for all your likes, for your comments, and for being a subscriber of my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.